We're going to the steepest street in San Fran. We're just gonna have a foot race, me and him. Who do you think wins? Andreas with his chicken legs and me with my machines. 3, 2. It's gone.
What?
Yep, it's gone.
Missed our flight.
Chris, you know where we are?
We are in America.
It's a Dodge Challenger SRT V8. I don't know how many horsepowers, but a lot. And this button right here says launch. Now we're gonna try that later. Oh my God, America. Golden Gate Bridge, not a morning person. San Fran, Golden Gate Bridge. We are here at the Vintage Arcade Museum. We're just gonna have a blast. So Chris says he's the master of whack-a-mole. We'll see. Hold my camera. Okay, that was that. Yeah, so 500. But it's vintage, so it was only 2 of them working and it's kind of slow. To whack-a-mole, you gotta be a mole. How's it going? I think I beat you.
I don't know.
That's a high score. I don't think you got 500.
I think I won. Yeah.
Okay, let's see a recap.
But it's vintage.
Can you imagine this used to be gaming? This was actually gaming, not... We're going to the steepest street in San Fran. We're just gonna have a foot race, me and him. It is so steep that the cars really struggle to get up here. Who do you think wins? Andreas with his chicken legs and me with my machines, my robotics, with my supreme power. Or his stubbornness. Smile, smile, you motherfucker. Oh my God. That's a long ass way. Who do you think's gonna win? I think me. Who do you think's gonna win in a foot race, me and him, up this hill?
Are you going all the way to the top?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Might be a tie. Might be a tie, guys. Good luck.
3, 2. Always. 1. Good job. 2/3 of the way, the legs just gave up. And I felt like I was doing, what the fuck's it called here? Kappgang. I was walking like, that was way harder than I thought. Oh my god. What were you saying in the car again? Andreas with his chicken legs and me with my machines. Oh, I was saying I was really gonna run after you. Run out? Outrun you. Oh my god.
Brand?
Om je brand.
Servera. Börja fram. Fy fan, det där kan du. Så jävla ont.
Good morning. Good morning. It's day 3 and we are today going on a hippie van and sightseeing around the great city of San Francisco. Fuck.
So we were at the signs everywhere that people smash and grab cars. We're like, yeah, how possible is it that they're actually gonna smash and grab our car? But they fucking did it.
The stupidity of it all, they didn't take my camera, which is a Fuji camera. They didn't take the GoPro.
Not the passport, not anything.
They took my douchebag.
They took Chris's backpack.
My douchebag.
I think they just took the bag.
They took some Bula clothes.
Yeah, well, Bula Bula.
Bula Bula.
So our car got smashed. But luckily, you know, when you have insurance, you get a new car. Right, Andreas? You get a new car.
Yeah, we don't play.
I know how to disco, I don't know how to rollerblade, so just give me a push.